Ka Sarkar Jala Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA2 haka khat nyo tarik risaw arjar pusaw wat haka jengmi ki khubor jong ka jingbun ki nongkhi bat ki nongdi drugs kala penkesan ba ka jingle persya yu drugs hapo ka jala lengba ka dream mission kadai ka baya chakmat batru ban ong ba kanla ban penduna batru ban pendu jat yu drugs Habakren sigilat pthai kubor Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare uba Paul Lingdo uloong baya ka Anti Narcotic Task Force ANTF lala ban penklan batru ban pentep baka Dream Mission kan sayo do officer IPS ba Francis G Kharsieng kumu mission director bat klempep kan sala ban penduna bat pendu jat yu drugs.
In fact, which is why now the ANTF is being strengthened. The Dream Mission now will have Mr. FG Kharsieng, retired IPS, as mission director. So we are making a lot of moves to ensure that we are able to first reduce and then eradicate the problem.
Hababu Jingkylli halo ka jingle Jingkylli ki kunhun steng bhalang khamtam ka new trap youth council HYC ban kurup hi yo drugs bat ban thang kumjuru ban the da ko nakaliang ba pol loong bola ban shutep hangni baladaya kat kum ka an NPDS ka an ka krenshai balada drugs udon hakita ki bakem dei maki ki ban sha kali Jingkylli bat hakabai dei bat ka jingle ka HYC ula benrap da ka boong u president ka HYC udai Nongïasaid an bat banbu Jingkylli ru bau presiden ke HYC udon Jingtip ayu Shaphang ke NPDS bat kiwei ru kian.
All I can say is that if you go through the NDPS, any person who seizes, say, drugs or narcotics, and the narcotics are in his possession, he becomes the one who has to explain why the drugs are in his custody. That's the law of the land. So it's very clear, which is why we are trying to amplify the ambit of our operation. You will realize this, that it is for the first time that the Department of Social Welfare has stepped into this particular space where we have gone proactive on the anti-narcotics campaign. Earlier it was just the police department. Now we have the Dream Mission headed by Chief Minister. It shows the level of our seriousness, and we would like to do things in a way that we have the protection of the laws of the land so that we are not caught on the wrong side of the law. We are here to uphold the law, and that is our primary objective and concern as a government and as lawmakers. Now, when you do anything that contravenes or goes against the primacy of law, your activity becomes illegal. So you might just grab headlines, but it doesn't make any difference at the field level. You make news for a couple of days, but then whatever you do will not stand the scrutiny of the court, and therefore it is self-defeating. We are bent upon eradicating drug menace in Meghalaya. The unfortunate thing is, because of our strategic location very close to the Golden Triangle, and the fact that the unrest in Manipur has led to a shift of the trade from that particular area to Meghalaya. That is a major challenge. I will be visiting the national capital briefly and make sure that the leaders in the government of India are well briefed about the seriousness and the scale of drug trafficking that is happening in the state. Well, the president of the HYC himself has a legal background. You should ask him. Ask him what does he know about NDPS, about BITS NDPS, whether The law of the land allows him to go and catch hold of people. Ask that lawyer.
And destroy drugs.
Yes.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.